ZTE Axon 7 and let me show you how to reset up preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's find and select the settings. From the following list you need to scroll down to choose system. From the following options, let's tap reset, and here let's choose reset app preferences. So this will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you would like to accomplish that operation, let's choose reset apps. And that's it, everything went well. You can go back and start using the default app preferences. So everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.